Alright, I'm going to be showing the solution to problem number 4 in chapter 37. Alright, so it goes, a spaceship flies past Mars with a speed of 0.985 c relative to the surface of the planet. So I have the Martian surface, and the spaceship just flies overhead at that speed, which is 0.985 times the speed of light. Okay, alright. It says, when the spaceship is directly overhead, a signal light on the Martian surface blinks on and then off. An observer on Mars observes that signal light was on for 75 nanoseconds. Now, the first question it asks is, does the observer on Mars or the pilot on the spaceship measure the proper time? So the proper time is it's the duration of the event within its own reference frame. So like, the event happens on the Martian surface. So if we want to know the proper time, we need to know how long that event was if we were in that same reference frame as the event. And so then it says, does the observer on Mars or the pilot on the spaceship measure the proper time? And it would be the observer on Mars, because the observer on Mars is within the same reference frame as the event. And so since it's in the same reference frame as the event, that time is not affected at all by time dilation or anything like that from being set reference frame. So the proper time is measured by by the observer on Mars of the event. And now, for the second part, it asks, what is the duration of the light pulse measured by the pilot of the spaceship? So, we will use our time dilation formula. Which is outside time times inside time. The inside time here is going to be proper time. So we know proper time, and that is in 75 nanoseconds. However, it is important that we have a difference in units. See, our speed is in meters per second. So in order to account for this difference, we either have to change this to meters per nanosecond, or change this, or change the proper time, 75 nanoseconds, to 2 seconds. And it's going to be much easier to just change the nanoseconds to seconds. So we just do that. So then if we were to change 75.0 nanoseconds, 2 seconds, that would just change to